Good afternoon, children. As you can see, there I have made one alphabetic chart. But today I am not going to teach this word, but today I am going to teach the sound of the letter A to Z. So, children, please listen carefully and watch carefully this video and learn all the phonics sound of every letter. So, please watch it carefully. See. There is letter or alphabet A, but the sound of alphabet A is A, apple. So when we said apple, the first sound that comes from our mouth is A. This is the letter B, B for ball. The alphabet is B, but the sound of the alphabet is B. Ball. So when we see the word ball, the first sound coming from our mouth is B. Here is the letter C, and the sound or the phonic sound of the letter C is K. C for cat. When we say cat, we heard the first phonic sound, that is K. D for duck. Here is the letter D, but sound of this letter or the alphabet is D. When we say the word duck, the first sound or the phonic sound comes from our mouth is D. E. Here is the alphabet E. E for elephant. When we say elephant, the first sound coming from our mouth is A. So the sound of letter E is A. Elephant. Come to the next letter. After E, F comes. Here's the letter or alphabet F, and the sound of F is F. Fish. When we say the word fish, the first sound comes from our mouth is F. G. G for grapes. It is the letter G, and the sound of G is, or phonic sound of G is G. Grapes. So when we say the word grapes, the first sound coming from our mouth is G. H. H for hat. When we see the word hat, the first sound coming from our mouth is H. The sound of letter H is H. I. I for igloo. When we see the word igloo, the first sound coming from our mouth is E. The sound of the letter I is E. J for jug. It is the letter or alphabet J, but the sound of J is, phonic sound of J is J. So when we see the word jug, the first sound coming from our mouth is J. K. K for kite. This is the alphabet K, but the sound of K is K. So when we see the word kite, the first sound coming from our mouth is K. Letter L. When we say L, the sound of letter L is L. L for leaf. So when we say this word leaf, the first sound coming from our mouth is L. M for mango. This is the letter M, but the sound of M is M or M. So when we say the word mango, the first sound coming from our mouth is M or M. N. N for net. The sound of N is N or N. So when we say the word net, the first sound coming from our mouth is N. O for orange. Here is the letter O, and the sound of O is also O. So when we say the word orange, the first sound coming from our mouth is O. P. Here is the letter P. P for parrot. The sound of P is P. So when we say the word parrot, the first sound coming from our mouth is P. Q for queen. Here is the letter Q, and the sound of Q is Q. So when we say the word queen, the first sound coming from our mouth is Q. After Q, R. Here is the letter or alphabet R, and the sound of R is R. So when we say the word rat, the first sound coming from our mouth is R. S. S for sun. The letter S, and the sound of S is S. So when we say the word sun, the first sound coming from our mouth is S. T for tree. This is the alphabet T, and the sound of T is T. So when we say the word tree, the first sound coming from our mouth is T. U. U for umbrella. So when we say the letter U, the sound of U is A. So when we say the word umbrella, the first sound coming from our mouth is A. V for van. The sound of the letter V is V. So when we say the word van, the first sound coming from our mouth is V. W for watch. The letter or alphabet W, but the sound of W is V. So when we say the word watch, the first sound coming from our mouth is V. X for X-ray. So when we see the word X, the first sound coming from our mouth is X. Y. Y for yarn. Letter or alphabet Y, but the sound of Y is Y. So when we say the word yarn, the first sound coming from our mouth is Y. And the last letter, Z. Z for zip. The letter is Z or the alphabet is Z, and the sound of this letter Z is Z. So when we say the word zip, the first sound coming from our mouth is Z. So dear children, in this way I have explained you all the phonic sound of each and every letter. So please watch this video again and again and learn the phonic sound of all the letter. Thank you and have a nice day.